Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given an equation that is h plus h plus h is equals to h times h, and we have to find the value of h. So let's start with today's video solution. So let's simplify both sides. First, take left hand side h plus h is 3h, and right hand side h times h is h cube. Now the equation becomes 3h is equals to h cube. Divide both sides by h. Actually, we can divide it by h cube. So if we divide it by h, so 3 is equals to h. Here power 1, 3 minus 1. So 3 is equals to h square by the property of exponent. X power m by x power n is equals to x power m minus n. So h square is equals to 3. If I'll take square root both sides, so h is equals to plus minus root 3. So if there are two values of h, h1 is root 3 and h2 is minus root 3. So in decimal form, h1 is minus plus 1.732 and h2 is minus 1.732. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next video.